1st June 2020, a Madaraka Day that will go down the books of history as a different one, with many firsts, largely on account of the COVID-19 pandemic. Following the celebrations for one travel vlogger, Raj Vision, it was more than unusual. He was home, but saw himself on live television. Unbeknownst to him, the state had used some of his footage from a YouTube video he had posted and incorporated it in the Madaraka Day documentary. He took to social media to express his shock and dismay at the matter. Alongside the pre-recorded entertainment was a documentary on the country's progress. Part of the footage used was of Soin's YouTube video on his channel. The documentary ran on all major media houses as the feed was provided by the state for all stations to broadcast. His image was even on the part taken from his video. According to the Copyright Act, the state was in breach of Section 35 that states that copyright infringement can be by a person who, without the permission of the owner of copyright, distributes, imports, broadcasts, or makes available to the public protected works, records, or copies from which electronic rights management information has been removed or has been altered without the authority of the right holder. As a result, the plaintiff could be faced with various options when seeking damages, including a calculated amount on the basis of reasonable royalty. However, due to the fact that the documentary was distributed as news and not for commercial use, his compensation may not be as much as it would have been had it been a commercial broadcast. Later on, Rajvi took to social media to thank those who supported him and added that the government has reached out to him on the matter and has committed to discussions on compensating him for the use of his footage. This brings to the fore the concern that the very government that is championing for copyright protection, whose integrity is to be like a candle on a hill, has been caught flat-footed, right at the top, at the house on the hill. Anita Nkonge, NTV.